It's only been a week since Vietnam Today's launch, but the channel has received a lot of positive feedback from both domestic and international audiences.
Yes, and according to official data, during the first 24 hours of launching, the channel has reported over 108,000 unique viewers across regions and over 10.8 million views from all of its domestic and international distribution platforms.
And in efforts to help Vietnam stories and images reach even more international audiences, during the 62nd Asia-Pacific Broadcasting Union, or APU, General Assembly's meeting in Mongolia, an official introduction about Vietnam Today has been made in front of all the attending members.
Yes, and we now connect with our reporter Dylan Lei, who is in Mongolia right now attending at the event. Hello Dylan, how is it going over there in Mongolia?
Right, hello there. The weather was quite cold, but the temperature hasn't really dampened the momentum of the 62nd Asia-Pacific Broadcasting Union General Assembly meeting held here in the capital of Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. Now, this year's conference draws together the participation of dozens of international TV stations, including China's CGTN, NHK from Japan, KBS from South Korea, and ABC's from Australia. And also at the event, Vietnam Today from Vietnam Television, VTV, also had the opportunity to introduce to these international partners, and here are some of their initial reactions.
Are those delicate noodles, rice noodles, that balance.
I really loved the trailer, the whole presentation actually, because it was very vibrant and dynamic, and I think it kind of carried the whole mood of the new network, and you felt like this fresh breath of fresh air.
The launch of something international was missing. New face, a sense of vibe of energy. The pace is that fast. That's a brilliant story.
I was really excited to see the VTV international channel being launched, and very interested to see the broad range of genres that the channel will cover as well. We have a very large Vietnamese diaspora who live within our country, but also the broader population of Australia are fascinated by the country. So I think there's great opportunity there for Vietnam Today to have a really solid, great audience within Australia.
From Vietnam Today.
Your window on Vietnam.
Now, during this conference, discussions have been had between Vietnam Television, VTV, with other ABU members regarding Vietnam Today. And so we hope that through these collaborative talks, we'll see more of Vietnam's stories and images around the world. And that's all from me, Dylan Lei, for Vietnam Today from Mongolia. Now back to you in the studio.